hit the parking lot, we turn heads. Every time we hit the parking lot, we turn heads. Every time we hit the parking lot, we turn heads. Some hoes wanna choose with the I used to rock green Converse and tan Dickies. Way before ballin', I was laying with 150. Parking lot pimp, we turn heads. Every time we hit the parking lot, we turn heads. Some hoes wanna choose with the I used to rock green Converse and tan Dickies. Way before ballin', I was laying with 150. Parking lot pimpin' from the passenger side. My partner's looking good in they ride, so I had to get mine. 24/7.
So what do you think about it? How was your experience?
Loud, bro.
Does it sound clear?
Yeah, it sounds good.
Okay, Wes. So I'll see you in a couple of days. You can turn it back up and then
I got the whole city